Hello everyone, I'm Luca from Wirestorm, and today we're going to go through the CTL Pro Dashboard. The CTL Pro Dashboard serves as the central hub for all configuration settings, featuring various tabs used for different areas of Network HD. This guide provides an overview of these tabs, offering a foundational understanding of the dashboard's layout and functionalities. The TX/RX status tab in the CTL Pro provides a view of all transmitters and receivers within a system, alongside detailed information about each device. Hostname alias column displays the alias names of devices. Double-click on a device name to assign it a recognizable alias name, making it easier to identify later. IP address column shows the IP address of the device. Double-click to choose between automatic DHCP or a static IP configuration. Firmware indicates the firmware version currently installed on the device. Input timing column provides detailed information about the input timing, such as resolution, refresh rate, color depth, chroma subsampling, etc. HDCP displays the HDCP status. Double-click to modify the settings. EDID displays the currently selected EDID profile. Double-click to select a different EDID from the predefined list or upload a custom EDID file. Connected RX column shows which RX device is connected to the specified unit. Video preview opens a pop-up screen that shows a video preview stream from the source device. Order column allows rearrangement of device order in the list. Options provides access to additional in-depth settings for each device. Click to explore more detailed configuration options. And now from the receiver side, output timing column provides detailed information about output timing, such as resolution, refresh rate, color depth, chroma subsampling, etc. Connected TX column shows which TX device is connected to the specified unit. And display power. You can turn the display on or off using the connected receiver. Matrix status. Use the Matrix status tab to monitor and manage the connections between encoders and decoders. Assign connections by clicking on the circle between a TX and RX device. Upon a successful connection, the circle will turn green. Additionally, you can hover over any connection to highlight its routing lines for better visibility. The Audio Return tab enables you to assign the audio return channel, ARC, from a receiver to one or multiple transmitters if you're using Network HD 500 series. Video wall. A video wall is a configuration of multiple screens linked together to form a single large display surface. This setup can show one image across multiple screens or display different sources on each screen. To set up a video wall, click on Create a new video wall and follow the instructions in step 3 of the Setup Wizard section of this training. Multiview. Multiview allows you to display multiple video sources on a single screen simultaneously. To configure Multiview, follow the instructions in step 4 of Setup Wizard section of this training. Advanced. The Advanced tab features a variety of settings for encoders and decoders, many of which can be applied in batch mode. This allows simultaneous adjustments to multiple devices of the same type. This functionality is particularly useful for implementing global changes across the system. For instance, assigning a range of static IP addresses to units, modifying encoder EDIDs, or adjusting output scaling on decoders. Throughout these settings, you'll see the I information icon. Hover over this icon to see a brief description of each setting. The Serial IR Test tab allows you to test the transmission of RS-232 and IR control signals, making it easy to verify that control codes are functioning as expected. Firmware upgrade. Use the Firmware tab to apply firmware updates to endpoints. You can simultaneously update multiple devices of the same type. To begin, select the devices you wish to update from the list on the left-hand side. Next, click on the Select Firmware Files button, browse for the appropriate file, and then click Upload to CTL. Once the upload is complete, simply click Upgrade to initiate the upgrade process. Important information. To successfully install firmware updates on NHD 500 series, ensure that your units are running firmware version 1.2.5 or later. If your device is using versions earlier than that, update them to version 1.2.5 first before installing any later versions. Following these steps is crucial for a smooth update transition. If you have any questions, please consult the official documentation or seek assistance from our technical support team. NHD Touch. NHD Touch is a free iPad and Android app that allows live video preview and control of the entire network HD system from a single screen. To configure NHD Touch, follow the instructions in step 5 and 6 of the Setup Wizard section of this training. Controller. The Controller tab is dedicated to managing all settings for the controller. Here you can adjust the IP settings for both the AV and control ports, import or export current configurations, perform firmware upgrades, reset the device to factory settings, view log files, and much more. This tab contains all important settings in one place. This was the guide for the CTL Pro Dashboard. Thanks for watching.